Hello, grade 7 students. This is day 4 of STP Mathematics 2A lesson series. Hope all of you have watched the previous videos by any chance. If you have not watched them, please pause this video and watch them from the beginning. So as per the schedule, today first we need to discuss the homework sums. So then we'll see that what are the sums you want to do. So then according to the yesterday's lesson, you want to do exercise 1C, question 6 to 10 and 16 to 20. So we will discuss the answers, right? So you take your pink color pen and check whether you have done the answers like this here, that you want to read the instruction first of all. You want to keep the answer in index form. That is very important. 15 to the power 8 and 15 to the power 4. So then the answer is 15 to the power 8 minus 4. So then the answer is 15 to the power 4, right? Because when you have the division, the same base value, we want to subtract the indices. 8 minus 4, 4. So then the question number 7, 6 to the power 12 divided by 6 to the power of 7. And then you write 6 to the power of 12 minus 7, and the answer is 6 to the power of 5. Okay, question number 8, b to the power of 7 divided by b to the power of 5. So then the answer is b to the power of 7 minus 5. So then the answer is b to the power of 2. So 8 minus 4, it is 4. Question number 6. 12 minus 7, it is 5. And here 7 minus 5, it is 2. Then we will move to question number 9. 9 to the power of 15 divided by 9 to the power of 14. So then what I should do, 9 to the power of 15 minus 14. And then the answer is 9 to the power of 1. And I told you that it's better to write both. Here 9 to the power of 1 is the most suitable answer because they have asked us to write the answer in index form. So then we will take the last one, the 10th one, p to the power of 4 divided by p to the power of 3. So then you can subtract that p to the power of 4 minus 3. And then the answer is p to the power of 1. And then the answer is p. That p to the power of 1 is the most suitable answer. Please check whether you have done according to the step like this and you have got the same answers. If not, please double check your answers. And still you can't understand, please comment in this video itself. And children, when you are sending me your doubts, please mention the page number, then the exercise number and the question number. Otherwise, that you just comment that I can't understand this. So how I'm going to know that which one you can't understand? You just mention teacher in page number 3, exercise 1C, question number 10. Can you please explain it again? So then the next day when I'm doing the video, definitely I'll consider your request and explain that doubt you have. Okay, so hope all of you have marked these 5 questions. If not, please pause the video and mark the answers. Now, what I'm doing, I'm moving to the next part. So then you don't want to worry here that you can get all the answers that if you pause this video. So then I'm just moving straight away after discussing this. So then I have question number 16. From question number 16, children, you have division multiplication. It's a mixture, right? So then if I take question number 16, you have 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power of 4, and 2 to the power of 3. So then you have 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 plus 3. So then the answer is 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 2 to the power of 9 is the answer, right? You have 3 items, so the 3 numbers which are written in index form. in between them we have the multiplication. Therefore, we can add the indices as 3 of them have the same base value. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So then if I go to the question number 17, how we are going to do that? 4 to the power of 2 and 4 to the power of 3 divided by 4 to the power of 4. If you can remember, I gave you two ways to do this. Here I can take 4 to the power of 2 plus 3. Okay. And that means the answer is 4 to the power of 5. If not, I told you that at once you can do this. How you can do that? Here you write 4, then here 2 to the power of 3, then 2 plus 3 minus 4, right? 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 minus 4, it is 1, right? So then I am telling you again, the suitable answer according to this example, this question instruction, you want to keep the answer in index 4. So then we will move to the question number 18. So you have a to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of 2 divided by a to the power of 3. A to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 3. So then the 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. And again, that a to the power of 1 is the index form. So then the question number 19, we do have 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 4. How I'm going to write it? 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 plus 4. So then the 6 minus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 3 to the power of 8. Right? So then the last one, the 20th one, okay, we have b to the power of 2, then b to the power of 3, and b to the power of 4. So then how we are going to write the answer? B to the power of 2 plus 3 plus 4. So then that is b to the power of 9. Right? So then so then we discuss all the 10 questions. So pause the video, mark the answers, and see whether you have done them correctly, right? So then the next one, I want to move to the theory part. So what you want to do, you take your theory book, right, and put the date. So today it is 7th of August. Just see that I'm showing you something, that if you have something like this, 2 to the power of 1, the answer is 2. 3 to the power of 1, the answer is 3. 5 to the power of 1, the answer is 5. So let's say 10 to the power of 1, the answer is 10. Right? So x to the power of 1, the answer is x. M to the power of 1, the answer is m. 2 over 5 to the power of 1, the answer is 2 over 5. 0.8 to the power of 1, the answer is 0.8. What can you understand here? What is the rule? When the index is 1, right? When the index is 1, so we write it like this. We'll take it to this side. Whatever the base value, when the index is 1, always the answer is equal to the base value. Answer is equal to the base value. Whatever the base value, it can be a number, it can be a letter, it can be a fraction, it can be a decimal, it can be anything. If the index is 1, always the answer is equal to the base value. Then I will write another thing that if you have 2 to the power 0, the answer is 1. 3 to the power 0, the answer is 1. 5 to the power 0, the answer is 1. 10 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. X to the power of 0, the answer is 1. M to the power of 0, answer is 1. 2 over 5 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. 0.8 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. Now here, what you should understand, children, what you should understand, when you have something like this, right, you have the, what you have, that you have 0 as the index. So when you have 0 as the index, so then here we write whatever the base value, when the index is 0, right here this time, index is 0, always the answer is equal to 1. Answer is equal to 1. So it may be a fraction, it may be a decimal, maybe a letter, whatever it is, if the index is 0, the answer is 1, right? Then we want to go for the next subtopic here. The next subtopic will be, so you write down negative indices, right? So then I will explain you the next one, negative indices, right? So then how we are going to do this, children? Now try to understand this carefully. Let's say you have 2 to the power of 3. So you know what to do. What you're supposed to do, children? You want to multiply the base value 3 times. To multiply 2 times, 2 times 2. So you know that. But by any chance, if you have 2 to the power negative 3, now what you are going to do? If it is 2 to the power 3, it gives us an idea that you want to multiply the base value 3 times. But if it is negative 3, we don't know what to do. Therefore, first you want to convert this negative index into positive index. How we are going to convert the negative index into positive index, children? That you get the reciprocal of it. So then it gives me 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Now I know what to do. So then I know that I want to multiply 2 3 times. So then if need, you can write the answer 1 over 8 like this. Here the answer is, the value is 8, right? So when you come across with a negative index, to find the value, first you want to convert the negative index into a positive value, right? So then how do you do that? You want to get the reciprocal of it, that 1 over 2 to the power 3. So then you can't see that when you write the reciprocal, you can't see the negative index form. So instead you have positive index 2 to the power 3. Then when you see 2 to the power 3, you know what to do. 2 times 2 times 2. So then the answer is 1 over 8. So then we'll see what else you want to discuss under this topic. Yeah, let's say here 5 to the power of, yeah. Then we want to discuss, right? Let's say anything. If you have, let's say, 5 to the power of negative 2, how do you do this? First you write 1 over 5 to the power of 2. Then you write 1 over 5 to the power of 5. And then we write 1 over 20, 1 over 25. Then let's say if you have something like this, 225.8 10 to the power of negative 1. So what does this mean, 10 to the power of negative 1, children? So you want to first write 1 over 10 to the power of 1. How do you write this 1 over 10 to the power of 1? It is 10. Now I rewrite the question, 25.8 multiplied by 1 over 10, right? So then we have 25.1 divide by, write it here, so otherwise I don't have enough space. Then I write here 25.8 multiplying by 1 over 10 means dividing by 10. So then what will be my answer? 2.58, because by now you know when you are multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, what will happen? So then the decimal man is moving to the left side, and again I have told you that in the real world decimal man is not moving anywhere, only the place value of these digits will be changing when we are doing this game. But for the time being, for your easy reference, I'm just telling the decimal man is moving. So 25.8 will become 2.58. So I'll take another example here. Let's say you have 4.63 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 3. What do you mean by this? 10 to the power of negative 3 means positive 1 over 10 to the power of 3. So then this means that here 10 times 10 times 10, that means 1 over 1000. Okay, then I rewrite this question 4.63 multiplied by 1 over 1000. So then here 4.63 divided by 1000. So when you divide it by 1000, so now what happened? That you have only one digit here before the decimal. So therefore I want to have another two zeros. 0.00463. Now you can see that earlier it was here. Now the decimal man is here. So then there are 3 steps to the left side. So then final answer is 0.00463. Hope it is clear, children. So then the theory content we discussed today. First we discuss when the index is 1, what kind of answer we get. Then we discuss when the index is 0, what kind of answer we get. And then we discuss about the negative indices. If you come across with the negative index, that to convert it, you want to get the reciprocal. So then you can find it. And then I discuss 2 sums here, that how you can get the value if you have 10 to the power negative, 10 to the power negative 1, 10 to the power negative 3, something like that, right? So then we'll see what else we missed here. Okay, right. Another example I want to explain you here. Let's say you have something like this. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 5. Now what happened, children? Then you want to subtract the indices 3 minus 5. What will be the answer? It is 2 to the power of negative 2. If they have asked you to write the answer in index form, you can write it here like this. So then you just see that I'm giving you the answer in 3 different ways this time, right? You want to read the question carefully and you want to understand what they have asked, right? So then this one, answer, and write that the answer part here on top. So then it is applicable for everyone. Answer in index form, right? Answer in index form. So what is this answer? It is in positive index form, right? It is in positive index form, right? Index form. So then the next one, this is value form, right? This is in value form, right? So then if you have the division, if you have the same base value, we know we want to subtract the indices. So then when you subtract and when you get the final answer, it is a negative index. Then if they have just asked to write the answer in index form, you just keep it as 2 to the power negative 2. But some questions, specifically they ask you to keep the answer in positive index form. In that case, you want to get the reciprocal of this 1 over 2 to the power 2. Some questions, they will ask you to get the value. So then that becomes 1/4, right? I think we discussed everything related to this. We discussed the meaning of 0. Yeah. Then you can do that here that Friday you don't get the lesson because it's a poor day, public holiday. You don't get the lessons on Friday, then it is the long weekend. Therefore, I will give you a few sums to do, right? So what you can do in exercise 1D, right? You can copy down that what are the things you want to do, children. Exercise 1D, question 16 to 20, right? So then here I will mark. So these are the questions. First you want to do these. Read the question carefully. Here you want to find the value, right? Then 1D. Then 1D itself, then you want to do, I will erase all these things. You want to do exercise 26 to 30, right? 26 to 30. 26 to 30. Then you want to do in the same exercise, question 36 to 40. So you have 15 questions to do at home, right? So those are the homework questions you want to do. Okay, children, we'll meet again on Monday. So then you have the long weekend. So enjoy the weekend. Meantime, you find a time and do the homework sums. So then Monday, when I bring the video, I'll first explain all the homework sums, those 15 sums. Then I will move to the next lesson component. Okay, children, see you then. Happy weekend. We'll meet again on Monday. See you. Bye.